your point. Sorry?
Well, just coming, sir, from IIP, saying that there's a brothel reported at either number 3 or 62. So, I'm not sure yet.
Sorry,
Got an escorted standing there that came in at 2101. Homeless male sitting in front of Victoria Street. He's drunk and sleeping. About
Yeah, we've got a shotgun to Primark, 14 Oxford Street, West Front. A 13-year-old refused to give details to staff. Thank you. We've got an ice break now outside. Hotel, Queen's Gate, 57. Got a drunk female that's the hotel. She's gone out, now stopping car in that road. Now I get shot. I'll show you signs on CAD 7 and 876.
thank you.
Who wants this on? 3 female, 30 years, blue milk, red jeans, pink and red bag, and black jacket.
Give the copy before we leave hospital. Yeah, that makes sense. The thing is, he's at hospital though.
Yeah.
It's one of those ones where they can, if they think they assess this thing, they're whether.
Still 1-8 actual.
What were they?
Yeah, have you found a victim or anything for this fight or assault after the accident outside Charing Cross when they left?
No, not yet. I'm trying to see around. Evidence, but
That's the situation.
no one waiting. No, not that.
an eye right now outside Charing Cross Station.